I recently completed the 30 days coding course. It was an amazing experience. The course helped me to improve my coding skills with practical projects and clear explanations. I learned a lot in just 30 days. Thank you for the team for creating such an helpful and well-structured program. This course gave me hands-on experience with tools like Python, SQL, Excel, and data visualization, such as Tableau and Matplotlib. Throughout the program, I learned how to clean, reprocess, and analyze data to extract meaningful insights. One of the most exciting parts was working on real-world projects, where I used data to solve problems and make data-driven decisions. I also explored topics like data wrangling and machine learning basics, which helped me understand how analytics can impact business and drive results. The instructors were amazing. They made even complex topics easy to understand. The course not only built my technical skills but also taught me how to present insights effectively, which is crucial for any analyst. Overall, it was a transformative experience, and I feel confident about applying these skills in real-world projects. If you are looking to dive into data analytics, I highly recommend a course like this.